Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and exploring a fantastic resource that's been making waves in the AI community, TopAI.tools. TopAI.tools is an incredible website that serves as a one-stop destination for all things related to AI. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into AI or an expert seeking advanced tools, this platform has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at some of the features that make TopAI.tools so helpful. First up, the AI Models section. Here, you'll find a comprehensive collection of pre-trained AI models that cover a wide range of tasks, from image recognition to natural language processing. These models are ready to use, saving you valuable time and resources in developing your own from scratch. Next, we have the Tools and Frameworks section. This is a goldmine for developers, as it provides access to popular AI libraries, frameworks, and tools. Whether you prefer TensorFlow, PyTorch, or any other framework, you'll find everything you need to kickstart your AI projects right here. Now, for those looking to expand their AI knowledge, TopAI.tools offers an extensive collection of courses and tutorials. Whether you're a visual learner who prefers video tutorials or someone who enjoys diving deep into text-based guides, there's something here for everyone. And let's not forget about datasets. TopAI.tools provides access to a variety of datasets suitable for training and testing AI models. Whether you're working on computer vision, speech recognition, or any other AI task, having access to high-quality datasets is crucial for achieving accurate results.